Hello all viewers and welcome to our 5th Irregular Verbs video. This one will take care of the irregulars 41 up until 50. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. And go, went, gone. Let's go over them one more time. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Good job. Make sure to keep on practicing and re-watch the video if needed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for our next Begrepen video.